There is a new viral trend on Instagram called the POV trend that can easily be used to give your audience a glimpse of how their life would look if they used your product or services. And in this quick tutorial, we'll show you how you can use a trending audio like this remix of Can't Get Enough, which already has over 116,000 posts, to recreate the POV trend for your brand or business in under 15 minutes using this InVideo template.
I really wanna have it in a way. I'm addicted and I just can't get enough.
Simply select the correct aspect ratio for the template. Here it's going to be the vertical 9:16 since this is for Instagram, and click on use this template and that will take you to the editor. Now, if you have your own product images, you can upload them using the upload option in the left menu. Or you can recreate this entirely using stock images from InVideo's inbuilt media library as well. For this tutorial, we are making a reel for a custom necklace brand, and we'll create this entirely using stock images from the InVideo library so that you can mirror this in case you don't have any media of your own. Now let's begin editing. There are a total of 8 scenes within the template, and we want to use the first half, that is the first 4 scenes, to build a connection with the audience by showing them what they would naturally be interested in or would aspire to do. And then in the second half of the template, which is the last 4 scenes, we will tell them how they can bring their vision to reality. For instance, with our custom necklace brand, we will begin by showing images of beautiful necklaces everyone would like to style. And then in the second half, we'll talk about how they can get these necklaces from our brand. Now for the first scene, we want to replace the home decor picture with the picture of a gold necklace. So we will select the image on the canvas, and then we'll click on the image tab in the left menu to open up the stock media library. Here we will use the search bar on top to search for the specific image that we want to find. We want to search for gold necklaces. So we'll type it out and hit enter. And this will open up all the images with gold necklaces in the feed. Now we can scroll through and find ones that we like. Once I find an image that I like, I will just drag and drop it on to the canvas. In the pop-up window that appears, I will click replace, and the image has automatically replaced the default template image. And don't worry if the images appear slightly pixelated or blurred when you're uploading them, because when you export them, this will automatically be taken care of and you will get a high definition export. Now for the text, we want to change that too. To do that, I will double click on the text box, and this will open up the edit text window on the left. Here I can simply type out my own text. We want to say, POV, you're addicted to dainty gold jewelry. And with that, our first scene is done. Now we want to go ahead and repeat the same process of replacing images for the remaining 7 scenes. Once you have replaced the images in all the 8 scenes, you want to come back to the 5th scene, because this is where we will change the call to action. Here we want to tell the viewers what action they can take to bring their POV to life. So again, we will double click on the text on the canvas, and this will open up the edit text window on the left. Here we will type out our own text. We want to say, get jewelry that makes you shine at Perto. Yep, that looks good. Once that is done, the final step is to change our logo. To do that, click on the logo on any scene on the canvas, and this will open up the logo menu on the left. Here you want to use the upload logo option and upload your image from the computer. Once it's uploaded, you simply want to click on it and the logo will be replaced throughout the canvas. Once all the scenes are done, click on the play button underneath the canvas to preview your reel.
I really wanna have it in a way. I'm addicted and I just can't get enough.
If everything looks good, you can go to the top right corner of the screen and hit export. We suggest you use the 180p resolution, as this gives you the best results. You can recreate this trend for any other type of product or service offering as well. For instance, if you have a closet organizational service, this is what this reel will look like for you.
I really wanna have it in a way. I'm addicted and I just can't get enough.
When you want to upload, make sure you use the trending audio track so that you can maximize your reach. To do so, use the link in the template description and open it in your phone. Then click on use this audio and then upload the reel using the upload option. It will automatically be synced to the audio and you won't have to make any additional edits. You can just put in your caption, add your hashtags, and then publish. And that's how you can create a trending Instagram reel with InVideo in minutes, even if you don't have any images and videos of your own.